This time of year, we're glad that we've had a lot of precipitation and a lot of forage growth, and things are green and looking great. We're glad that given some recent droughts, but one thing that we want sheep and goat producers to be aware of is conditions are ideal for parasite problems to be coming up. We have warm conditions with lots of precipitation, and that tends to be perfect setup for parasites to reproduce and take off, especially for sheep and goats that have just kidded or lambed out. And so we have ewes that are lactating, we got lambs and kids that are young and growing, and so those are classes of sheep that are most susceptible to parasites. So it's critical this time of year that we look at a parasite management plan, and within that management plan we need to be thinking about three probably key things. One, can we change our management of our grazing management so that we're not continuously grazing short grass? Because the short grass is where a lot of those small parasite larvae are. The sheep are going to eat them and then reinfect themselves. So we need to be thinking about ways that we can grazing management to reduce that. We also need to be thinking about strategic drenching so that we're not leading to resistance or parasites that are resistant to our dewormers. And then the third thing is using this as an opportunity to select animals within our herd whom are more resistant to parasites. So if we're not treating the whole group, we have animals that do well or animals that need to be treated again. We're going to use this as an opportunity to make management calling decisions to select for those animals to improve our flock and herd health.